Hey everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. I know it's been a really long time since I've done a studio vlog, and I've decided to do it again, I guess, because I've been speaking with my patrons just around a week ago, and then I realized that I just haven't been making vlogs or any videos or anything for YouTube. So then I was like, oh dang, okay, time to make a video, time to start being more diligent and actually working on these videos for you guys. So the reason why I've been a little absent on YouTube is because I've been working on a very exciting project. You guys probably have already seen it published on Instagram, but I just launched my first online drawing course with Class 101. So for those of you who want to learn how to do simple drawings or do very basic beginner courses into drawing, you can check that out. I'll include a link in the description. For those of you who don't know what Class 101 is, it's basically an online learning service, and how it works is you would purchase the course, and then after you purchase it, you automatically have access to all of the class contents, and then you just watch each video, and then in each video there's basically a mission or homework which you need to complete, and then you just post your homework in the comments, and then after that I will just answer it, give you some tips, some feedback to help you out, and that's pretty much what I've been doing every day. So yeah, if you want to be part of that community and check out the course, do check out the link in the description. And that's pretty much why I've been pretty absent from YouTube lately. It's because I've just been recording and creating all the class contents for Class 101, and I'm really excited for it to finally be out now. So now that that is all done, I am finally free and able to do a fun studio vlog. So today it's going to be all about a little fun recap on what I did during July. So this month I tried out a lot of different things, especially for my Patreon. I've added in a completely new tier dedicated to digital rewards. So basically it includes stuff like wallpapers, printable or downloadable PDFs, PNGs, high resolution artworks, PSD files, tutorials and stuff like that. And the reason why I decided to add in those new rewards is because there's a lot more changes coming in for shipping. And with a lot of the crazy changes to shipping prices and also delays in international shipments, I've decided that for patrons who are waiting for their things to slowly arrive, they still have cool goodies to receive every single month and every day throughout the month. I'm actually really excited about this because I've always wanted to do more digital rewards, but then I've shied away from it for some reason. I don't know why, but I'm glad that I'm trying it out for the first time now, and I'm very excited because I'm working on downloadable calendar or planner sheets, and that's pretty much what you're seeing right now. And then to test it out to see how it works, I've decided to create my own version and just plan out different things for August. I think before this I didn't really use a monthly planner before. I just used like the weekly to-do lists and stuff, but then after doing this whole activity I realized that it's actually really comforting, very relaxing, also quite productive in a way, because I realized that I'm like, okay, I have all these projects that I need to do next month, and then I started planning it out throughout the days and the weeks, and then I was like, oh hey, actually I'm really excited to try out all these different things that I need to do next month. So that's pretty cool, and I'm really excited to let my patrons try this out as well. And here is the finished planner that I've done for August. I like to do the month ahead so then I kind of know what's going to happen, and then I can also share it with my patrons so they kind of know what's going to happen in the coming month. And then after I made the planner, I was like, okay, what if I also made like a monthly goal or agenda sheet? So then I also made that, and then I'm gonna include that in August's package. So the Patreon prints just arrived and I'm really excited and happy to see them. So it's all about July, and I did something a little different this time. So I included a little painting at the back with the thank you, and also they came with the little stickers. So I ordered the July, August and September ones, so I'm really excited about that. And I also did a little splurge and ordered some magnets to test it out. I'm actually really excited and so happy with how these came out, so I'll be including these in the next shop update. I actually had all of these items sent over to myself. So what happened is, here in Sydney, Australia, there's been a lockdown for about a month already, and it's going to continue for another month. So I actually had no access to any of my Patreon stuff. So I had to send them over to myself from my parents' place. So that was a little messy, but they finally arrived and I'm really excited. So the first thing I did right when they arrived was pack all of the Patreon rewards. So that's pretty much what I did throughout the rest of the month. Another exciting thing is, if you haven't noticed yet, on each of these little, I guess, Patreon packages, I included tiny little cards and drawings because I thought it's been a while, everyone's been stuck in quarantine or lockdown, and it's just really lonely for a lot of us. So I thought I'd write little personal messages for everyone. So I hope those cheer you up and bring a little bit of happiness and make you less lonely, I guess. Since it's been a while since I've done a Q&A, I thought that I could do a Q&A section for this video. I might be doing this for every video in the future, I'm not sure. I find it pretty cool and I like watching other artists doing little Q&A sections at the end. So I thought that I could try that out as well. So what I did was just go onto my Instagram and made a little story asking you guys to shoot me some questions that you want me to answer in this video. So I'm going to answer them now. So the first question is, which graphic tablet do you use to make your artwork? I've actually used so many different tablets throughout these years, but I think currently I'm using the XP Pen 24, I think. It's like the largest one. They sent it over to me to review and check out, but I think most of the time I actually used my iPad. So I got the iPad Gen 6, which I believe is the budget one, but also it was basically the cheapest one which I could get, which I could draw with. So that's the route that I took. And I'm really happy with purchasing the iPad and also getting Procreate because of how awesome Procreate is. I was really iffy about getting it like I think a few months ago, but then I'm really glad that I did. So I basically just use the iPad and Procreate for majority of the time, but if I do have large projects that I have to do on the computer, then I'd use my XP Pen tablet. The next question is, when did you start drawing? So I feel like I've answered this question like in every single Q&A, but you know, might as well just answer it again. I started drawing at the end of 2017, and that's pretty much when I started posting on Instagram. I feel like I'm like a little brave kid back then, because I was like, damn, the moment I start drawing, I'm already posting it on Instagram. But I'm pretty glad that I did that, because I was able to draw really frequently and get feedback from everyone. So I guess it was a good thing that I was a little brave back then and went a little nuts and just shared my art immediately. But yeah, I started in 2017. Well, at the end of 2017. And the next questions are kind of less art related, but I'll still answer them. So this question is, are you single? I am not. So if you read the little caption that I had a few minutes ago in the video, I'm actually staying at my partner's place at the moment during the lockdown. So yeah, sorry guys. The next question is, do you like cats? I don't like or hate them. I find them pretty cute, but then I also find them kind of scary sometimes because I don't really know what they're thinking. But cats are okay, they're very cute to draw. I find that I like cats in animation, film, books, and in our imagination more than actual living cats. I think that's because I haven't really grown up with any pets, so I don't know how to act around cats as much. So yeah, I neither like or dislike them, I think. And for the last question, it's, do you like potatoes? And what's your thoughts on sweet potatoes? I love potatoes. I feel like they're my favorite vegetable. I don't know if I should count it as a vegetable, because when I'm having potatoes, it feels like a comfort food for me. But yes, I really like potatoes. And sweet potatoes, they're really nice. I like to eat them as fries sometimes. I also really like them mashed or just roasted or microwaved. They're really nice. So I like potatoes and I really like sweet potatoes. Okay, I think that's enough questions for this video. I hope I answered some questions which you may be wondering, but if I haven't, be sure to look out for my Instagram stories where I ask you guys to shoot me some more questions for the next video so I can answer them. Okay, so we're at the end of the video. Thank you for coming by and supporting me by just hanging out with me in this video. I hope you stay safe, healthy, and happy, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!